What are your expectations?
My expectations is for us to go in and have a fantastic tournament and entertain the rest of the world. Because once you get to these stages, and it's a massive occasion, and I want nothing but good for the boys. So we want to represent our country well. We want to make our country proud, but we want to entertain as well.
What do you think about your group?
Oh, it's a difficult group. Because why? I think in modern football today, everyone's almost on the same level. You look at the match analysis taking place now, you look at the sports science involved in the game, everybody's doing the same sort of recoveries. So I think the groups are very evenly balanced group. Obviously, the USA are going to be the favourites because they're at home, they're the reigning champions at the moment, and they're a very, very good team. So we need to respect every opposition in the group. But, you know, you got to go in and play them all and put in performances to get results.